We got a 79 Ford F-100 Lariat here for sale. It has a 302 engine with an automatic transmission. I think it's a C6. It's only got 30,000 miles on the truck, original. Over there. Got this crushed velvet interior. We've got a tub 9-inch rear end, Ford rear end. Here's some of the parts that come with it. As you can see on the trunk, or the tailgate, it's louvered and it's welded together. You got a Holley 600 carburetor, Edelbrock intake. There's the glass for the side vents. And here's the rear window, which got some etching on it. It says the Bandit. And there's a new windshield that comes with the truck. And here's the hood down here. It's got louvers on it.